Hey guys, Samantha Rose here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I accomplished this look. If you want to learn how I did it, go ahead and stay tuned for the rest of the video. So the first thing I do is start out by setting my eye with some type of transition shade. Next I'm going to go on my Morphe 35B palette with this lavender color. Using my BH Cosmetics number 5 brush, I go ahead and start blending out my eye using sweeping motions. Then I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to go ahead and do the same sweeping motions that I did with the first color with this one too. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with either my foundation or concealer, it doesn't really matter. And then I'm just setting the crease I cut. Then I'm going to go in with this number 10 brush and just add a little bit more color right above the cut. And I'm just doing this to clean it up a little bit. Now I'm going in with a different BH Cosmetics brush, but in the number 8. I forgot to show you guys, but I do go ahead and pick up the darkest blue in the palette and a little bit of the light blue. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my BH Cosmetics number 7 brush and pack on a dark purple right next to the blue. Then I go ahead and use my BH Cosmetics number 6 brush and go dip into the light pink color and pack it on right next to where I put the purple at. Then I go in with the BH Cosmetics number 12 brush. Next, I go in with my NYX glitter primer to help the glitter stick to my eye. And today I'm going to be using some new lashes that I got from Target. After I apply my lashes, I go in with my everyday makeup routine. Alright guys, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be linked in the description bar down below. Bye! Hey guys, Samantha Rose here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a natural makeup routine. Hope you guys enjoy!